So I'm back, guys. I had to take some break. I had a physiotherapist appointment, so because of that I took some time off. So I've decided to sand the whole fuselage at this stage. I don't need that much water, and might as well do it now at this stage versus later on, because it has to get done. So I'm just gonna keep on going, keep on sanding, and I should do it here so I'm getting the water. And the beauty of the wet sanding is that you don't put too much scratches. It's a nice smooth finish. All you're doing is you're basically just going on the surface and taking off the clear coat or the decals. The water temperature is quite hot, so I'm just adjusting the temperature so it doesn't burn my fingers while I'm doing this. And you just keep on going until you wet sand the whole surface and take all the clear coat off. Sorry, sometimes I speak slow, but as I'm just getting used to making these videos and going up on the TV, it's not something that I've done ever before, so just bear with me, and I'm sure as time goes by I'll be more fluent and less camera shy. And so I'm just gonna place the fuselage on the edge here. My last video was about 12 minutes long, was a full video, and I'm gonna make, I don't know if you guys prefer making longer full complete videos or short to the point videos, but if I do that, then I'm gonna skip the, what do you call, the steps in between. And you let me know what your preferences, guys, and how you want me to do these videos, and I'll try to do it like that. And like I said, the whole airplane is gonna get sanded, wet sanded. All the decals gonna come off, all the clear coat is gonna come off, and as you can see, this is a time-taking process. It just doesn't happen within a minute or so. So I guess I'll make another video once it's all sanded, it's all dried, and then you guys can see how it looks like after it's all sanded down, ready for body work. The way this is going on right now, I mean, I think I can finish this model within a few days versus a week or two, you know. So, alright guys, I hope you get to understand what I'm doing here and the importance of it and significance of it. So my next video will be once the model is all wet sanded and it's ready for body work, and then I'll make another video because I found some pins that I can use to guide as a guide and a reinforcement for the tail cone here, and then I'm gonna put that pin in and do the body work on it and bring this up to the shape. Alright, take care. I'll see you in a bit.